guys remember the old Hachad? Wherever you go, I follow. It's an auto rickshaw, but an electric auto rickshaw. That's why there is no sound. You can hear everything else. And I think the top speed for this is just probably 40 kilometers per hour. Today we're going to explore a few spots in Amritsar, mainly Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh, and Patriotic Museum, Partition Museum. That's it. But nice here. That's the regular old, loud, polluting scooter, rickshaw. And this is the electric. I like the name, Erath. Another one, different brand, Baxi. They'll have so much more torque, so they can pull a lot of people easy, which is main thing for auto rickshaws. It's 2 p.m. right now. We're very hungry. Excited for the lunch. Chaitanya especially recommended this place, so if anything wrong, Chaitanya, I'm hoping it's good. But pink chutney. I'm scared to even put my hand out. That's Partition Museum. But first we're gonna have food here. Both are same, Brothers Ka Dhaba. Bade Bhai Ka Brothers Dhaba. Looks good. Just waiting for others to join before we order our food. The typical thali, Punjabi or Amritsar ka thali. That's what we want to try, because that's going to be the most fulfilling food here. Paneer, dal makhani, chole, rice, and tandoori roti with butter. This is soft, but the best is still paneer, man. So juicy, like rasgulla juicy Londra.
I think paneer butter masala is one of the best I've ever eaten.
Yeah, same here. Definitely 9 to 9.5. And especially, I think this place is good because it's close to everything that we want to visit, like the Golden Temple, Partition Museum, and another lassi shop that Chaitanya suggested. Chaitanya is good for the paneer suggestion. I don't know how others will react when they realize that this is only a vegetarian place. Hello on the paneer. Eat it, no? Good. You like dal makhani?
I love that.
Idi.
You didn't like it?
Out of all three, that is the least liked item for me. Try the other two. Arey, the curry is different one, Raman. Shouldn't get different.
నాకు ఎర్రగా
ఏంటిది? పన్నీర్.
ఇది యాక్చువల్ పన్నీర్ నేను చెప్పింది. ఇదిగో ఎర్రగా
Just finished with the museum here. Very historical and very emotional here. Like a lot of depth in terms of their struggles and everything. And I think quite a few of us are emotionally drained, and it was kind of hard to see and go through that. Just imagining how much of pain they have felt, and there are quite a few successful stories. Hero Cycles, MDH, all refugees who have become successful. If you have willpower, you can definitely be successful. Next stop would be the Golden Temple, and Jallianwala Bagh is closed, so we'll probably just have the Golden Temple visit and head back to the hotel. Done with the Golden Temple visit. Just heading to a well-known lassi shop in Chaitanya's recommendation. Hopefully the lassi here is also good. That looks like paneer. Char. So this is the place that Chaitanya suggested. एक में मलाई नहीं चाहिए.
बिना मलाई के. You guys have actually been a disappointment today.
You guys ఏంటి? Ask Chaitanya. He suggested his recommendations.
Next time I won't believe in you. I won't trust you. I will do this. 10 kilometers walking చేసి.
10 కిలోమీటర్ కదా కిలోమీటర్ వెళ్ళాక చైతన్యతో ఏం మాట్లాడతాం ఒక నిమిషం ఆ టెంపుల్ చుట్టే 1 కిలోమీటర్ అయిందా ఆ టెంపుల్ చుట్టే 1 కిలోమీటర్ అయింది Lassi is good, but you get this in Hyderabad also. Chaitanya, kaladdam. And our mode of transport. This is Hyatt, and this is where we parked our bikes. It's not ours. I like this color. So there's no security in basement, and this camera was there, so it can see anytime. You're having dinner or your food?
I don't know. Okay. You guys were a disappointment though.
What we guys? We guys are a disappointment.
దేనికి
Food.
ఉంటా ఎందుకు బాగా
బాగా తిన్నాము. ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ కన్నా లేట్ ఉండే.
బటర్ చికెన్ మిస్ అయ్యాడు సృజన్ ఇప్పుడు ఆర్డర్ చేస్తావు కదా నువ్వు డౌటా జొమాటో హేనా మరి
బటర్ చికెన్ ప్లస్ 3 సార్లు వస్తాను.
చలో మై డిన్నర్ ఇస్ డన్ గైస్ విల్ క్యాచ్ యు గైస్ టుమారో. Hey guys, good morning. Just got up like half an hour back. Some of them are still sleeping. Sriman's working out. I was ready for breakfast, so came down here. When you're in Amritsar, you have to try their kulcha. It is one of the best I had. There's a second time I'm having it. Amritsari kulcha with chole, puri bhaji, pakoda, bun, and some butter. First up before we leave Amritsar is fuel, and fuel here is 95. कम हो गया मैडम fuel?
नहीं कम तो नहीं हुआ है.
हम 100 से आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा कहाँ से?
हैदराबाद से.
ओके.
पहले भी इतना ही है 2-3 हफ्ते से
बढ़ रहा है.
बढ़ रहा है. Always check temperature whenever you refuel if it's available. Mine was 25 or something. पीछे देखना कितना है 36 and 42 when you're loaded with bags and pillion. 28. Oh boy. No wonder I was doing the sand dunes pretty easily. The bike feels so tall after tire pressure is checked and increased to the recommended levels 36 and 42. Oh boy. Feels like I'm sitting on top of an SUV. Not even in an SUV. Chalo, ETA is 350, 4 hour 20 minutes and 206 kilometers to go. I think we'll reach there by 3:30 including a lunch break. Just stop here for a quick lunch. Firangi Dhaba. It's also in Amritsar, but we're close to Pathankot, like 10-15 kilometers from Pathankot. Huge place. We parked somewhere way down there.
5 hours later.
Script ready. Script processing loaded, ready. What's the time? 3:30. Dinner done. Almost 2. Oh, sorry, lunch done. You see, almost 2 hours of break. Slept for half an hour. He also slept for half an hour. You like the food?
8 on 10.
8 on 10. Veg was okay. 7.5. Another 70 kilometers, but on Google Maps it shows. Where is the charger? Just 76 kilometers, but 2 hours. ETA 5:30. Went up by 2 hours just for the lunch break. Hey, 21s. Good turning radius. దేశాలు ఏమంటే ఫస్ట్ ఉంటాడు మట్టి ఉంది లేపిండు వాడికి మట్టి కనిపిస్తే ఎక్కడో కాయ వస్తుందిరా లేస్తుందిరా. Look at the scenery here. I think since the last 10 kilometers we have a ghat section and it's going to continue till Dharamshala. Slight traffic, but the road's very good. And you find a lot of Altos and 800s here in the ghats. Never thought they would be more prominent, but a lot of people buy them. Around 24 degrees centigrade right now. not that cold or that hot. Perfect climate. At this rate we'll reach at 5:30, but I think we'll stop for tea, and so by the time we reach Dharamshala hotel it will be 6. And a small correction, we're not going to a hotel, we're going to a camp. The average speeds here are very slow, hence the ETA is much longer than usual. We rode for 2 hours, took 2 hours of break. We are not in a hurry to reach this destination. As long as we can reach before 6, it will be all good. Yee, we got some bridge. Right side में पुराना pre-independence bridge है. Now this looks modern. Judu, matti, carved. If you get a chance, if you get time, take a look at the left. You can see snow-capped mountains, snow-capped Himalayas. Sweet. After a long time. Hairpin bend, hairpin bend, hairpin bend. Oh yes, this is the one I was talking about. Look at that view, man. Look at that view. Now focus on the hairpin bend. Watch out, small town. Ooh, beautiful buddy, beautiful. Yeah, junction దగ్గర right, copy. TB10. Watch out, fast Honda. Hey guys, reached the resort a while back, like maybe around half an hour. Just park the bikes here. Best part about this resort or this campsite is the view, man. I don't know if you can see, but that's the snow-capped mountain. That's Dharamshala, and that's a wallpaper moment here. Capture it. Beautiful sight, right? Just had some tea. It was decent. The only place we enjoyed tea was in Bikaner. Other places so far have been okay. These are the camps. Small bed. No heater though. It's going to be cold. As per the weather, it's going to go down to 8 degrees or 7 degrees, so it's going to be cold here. Luckily, I have this lovely jacket from American Eagle. This does well. I used this in Pangong and 1-2 degrees. It worked well. But even staying in cold is kind of a fun adventure because we have covered quite a few destinations where the weather was so contrasting. Like in Bikaner, it went up to 36, 37 at one point. Now we are at 24, 23, and it'll go down to Kal Amritsar mein it was 10 degrees. Tonight we'll have around 7 or 8 degrees. That's the coldest today in this trip. Fun, na? Gloves.
हाँ ना
Leather jacket. So cold. He's wearing Gore-Tex riding gloves and a leather jacket. Hey, sweet. Feels good, Kishore?
Very good.
वो हमारा बाइक से ये मैक्लोडगंज है, ये पारी हो रहे हैं.